The target is in the next 12 months, 100,000 or more using the new technique that we have learned. What motivated me to come to VIA to learn, because in the past I do not know how to assess company. So there are some hits, there are some misses. So obviously the misses are more than the hits. So in VIA I learned there are a lot of indicators I can look at to do my own assessment. And I think more importantly, the indicators are proven and they're step by step. So it makes the whole journey much easier and very systematic. I think one of the things I learned is the A part, which is the asset portfolio. How much I should allocate based on my profile, the portfolio. Most helpful lesson, how to find out the intrinsic value of a company. Then from the intrinsic value, right, as an investor myself, I can decide whether or not it's a yes or no. So it saves a lot of time. To recommend someone to VIA, definitely a big yes lah. For simple reasons, because it's very systematic, and I think next is built for someone who may already have a portfolio or is thinking to start a portfolio. The earlier you start, the better it is.